Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good evening, good afternoon. All right, we here. Let me take a look at some things here. I gotta make some adjustments here. Hold on one second. We gotta make some adjustments. Can't have it like that. No, sir. Save. There we are. All right, we're here. What up, Donovan? All right, got everything set up here. Let's get the chat going, though. I think that's the vertical there. Let's go back. Trying to get everything fixed up. There we go. MSG, how's it going? What up? Am I live? I should be live on both, right? If you guys are watching on vertical, I'm also live over here on horizontal as well. Just trying to figure out where to put everything. All right, that should be everything set up. I think you guys can hear and see me on both now. I think. If you can't, I don't know what to tell you. All right, I'm about to take a short here. Most likely. Liking the short. What up, Pop Shorts? Anybody in the horizontal stream? I don't see your chat. I don't see any chats in the horizontal. Somebody say something. Somebody say something. Should we take the short here? Good evening, Ronnie. All right, I'm short. Short one micro. I'm not really sure of a target here. I mean, I could just take the low down there at 955. Could target a little lower than that if we wanted to, really. Looking for gold to bounce here at the top of the hour. I am in a gold long. Trader for keeps in the house. Guys, hit that like button as you come in. We're going to be doing a giveaway tonight. I'll look for that push down into that 955 area. About 28 points-ish here. Let's see what we get. Gold's popping. I like it. Squeeze it, gold. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Gold created a new ledge there. If it wasn't so close to the 8 o'clock hour, I would definitely buy that ledge. And I'm already long in an eval after all, so like, you know, how much action do we actually need here? Could get unpredictable here at 8 o'clock. Could get a little squirrely. For that reason, I'm going to wait on the funded trade. I mean, if it gets stopped out on the eval trade, I mean, it's... Wait, did it already get stopped out? No way, I didn't. I was like, where'd it go? We need to squeeze into 201.9 on the eval trade. But the problem is, top of the hour with gold, anything can happen. What up, Punisher? You can never tell on gold. Top of the hour, you can go crazy, especially at 8 o'clock. Oh. All right, here comes top of the hour here, about 15 seconds. Willy Willy, what up? Little Willy Willy. Big Willy Willy. Futures Trader, what up? I need gold to pop, guys. I need it to rip. All right, there's 8 o'clock. Can it rip? It can. Will it? It's the question. Phoenix in the house. Come on, gold. Don't fail me now. Let's go. Push it. Up, not down. Well, it's definitely not pushing up yet. It's quite rude. Quite rude. Quite rude. I'm not a fan. I mean, I like you, gold. You can still do it. I know you can. You can still recover. Yeah, Punisher, I'm long on gold on an eval. I need 201.9 to get me out. That's what we need. 10 points, basically. 12 points, 11 points, whatever. We are long on gold. So... Nasdaq's pushing. ES is pushing. Not good for our short, huh? 51.90 is your entry. I'm in from 96.9. I am about to get stopped out, it appears. So possibly. Good evening, Michelle. Again, gold kind of has my attention here for now. Gold has the attention. Your stop's at 51.80. Mine's at 81.9. This is the closest I've came on a gold trade to being kind of stopped out. So we'll see if it ends up working out or not. We'll see. Yeah, I'm on horizontal, you buddy, as well. What up, Cambo? Oh, guys, I forgot. Damn it. I was supposed to be over here doing this too. I forgot all about it. Supposed to be playing poker. I forgot. I can toss you the horizontal link if you want me to, I guess. Let me see here. Get gold back up there right quick. There's the horizontal one. Come on, gold. Don't fail me now. You can do it. Yeah, let's leave it at that. That's a pretty bullish looking candle there. What up, Tony? Grand evening. 20 seconds for the 5-minute to close. Indeed. I actually feel a bit better about it now. I think it should go. That was a really good candle. That was a good candle. Excuse me. Come on, rip that stuff up. Guys, I am playing poker over here in a little poker tournament. If you guys want to join, you can. You're more than welcome. I'll drop the link right quick in the chat. Well, let me see here. Can't do it that way. Oh, let me see. What do I got? Check. Can't do it that way. What up, Lassifer? There's the link if you guys want to join. Oh, come on. You have that nice big bullish candle and now it's trying to pull back. Rude. Quite rude. We are still short over here as well. I'm looking for this thing to hold this level. We'll see. We'll get a giveaway up and going in a few minutes, guys. Just going to see how this gold trade turns out. Not looking too hot right now. I mean, honestly. What up, Keith? Hit that like button. Let's go. Oh, shit. There's a little wick down there. Almost stopped me out. Hey, X Dunya. What up? Trish, you're done for the day? Let's go. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Come on, gold. Bounce it. I added right here, but I probably should. You know what? Let's do that. That's a good card. Come on, rip it. Rip it. All right, I got out there. Up 570. Time to do some sketchy shit. Sketchy shit. That's what we did there. C. Hun, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Don't let you in the game. You requested an entry. Well, why'd you request an entry if you don't want to get in the game? That could have been a much bigger winner, though. I could have been up $400 or $500. I could have been up like $3,000 on that if I would have held it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Hey, Maddie, how you doing? I don't know if the giveaway will... It'll probably be... It looks like Streamlabs is working on the vertical one. So... Unfortunately, that level that it just bounced off of was the level where I was going to enter on my funded account, but it's all right. Look at that thing go there. Huge wick off that level. Looking good, looking good. Didn't quite stop me out there. Luckily, it was very close. I think my stop was what? So I was in from 96. That was 14 points of drawdown right there. Insane. I did add, though. I did add. So I'm going to add to a winner here. If it gets to 975, I'll add one more. Good evening, Francis. How you doing? I should probably let everybody know we're live, huh? I've told no one. You guys told anybody? I haven't. We can see a flop with that one. No, haven't. There we go. Let's post it on Twitter. Tweeter. 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 Mm-hmm. Something wrong with my dog today. He just came right over here to me. The party viewers from Pine Tree Trader? Yeah. Told my mom, she said trading is for degens. It could be. That could be true. Are we a degen? Hello? Hello, my name is Maxie. I am a wiener dog. I am a wiener dog. All right, man, I'll quit. I'll stop. Proud to be an American degen. Yeah. What up, Canary? Discipline. What up? He didn't like me holding him. Yeah, he doesn't. I mean, he doesn't like just to be up here like this without. He feels like he's not being held properly, you know? So. Anywho. Ha, he, ha, ha, he, ha, he, ha, ha, he. I will hold you like a baby. Is that better? Is that better, Maxie? He said, oh, yes, this is better. Rub my belly. Rub the belly. Rub the belly. I am your master. That's what he's thinking. I tell you when I need to eat. I tell you when I need to pee. And I tell you when I need to poop. I'm the master, not you. That's what he's thinking. That's what he's thinking right now, isn't it? All right, go to sleep. Go to sleep, little Maxie. Never mind. All right. I got you. Hair all over me now, but oh man, so it didn't tag me in there, and now it's pushing right back up to the 25K. We'll add there. There's nothing wrong with adding higher. Oh, I forgot I was watching gold. Look at gold go. Do I take the gold trade again through the back door? I don't know. Still didn't hit the profit target yet for that original entry, but I think it will. Could be in for a long night on this short. I don't know. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it. What's up, Sovereignty? I never got that code over to you, did I? I need to do that. Let's do that now while we're thinking about it. Let's do that now. Let's do that now. Woo! She's a squeezer. Mancini kind of felt like we might push back up. He did say that. Which, you know, hey, makes sense, right? So, where are these coupon codes at? I'm like looking for the coupon codes. I don't see them. Oh, is this it? Yeah, this is it. All right, let me send that over to you. Reply. Let's send this over. Now remember, this is for the Pro, 50K. I wonder what's going on with him. Why is he sitting over here next to me? He never does this. You okay? Yeah, we only got 18 likes. You alright? Okay. Send it over there to you. How long do you have to use it? I don't know. It doesn't say. I mean, I would assume to use the code, probably not really a limit on it. But it never rebills. So probably just go ahead and use it because it never expires or rebills. So it's not unreasonable. Just go ahead and use it, you know. All right. What up, Jamal? How you doing? Jamal Anderson, did you play for the Falcons? Running back? Nice big thick thighs. Is that you? That's not you. Darn it. Hey, you never know, right? You never know. What kind of account I want at Trader's Launch? Well, Doc Tito, you can choose between a futures account or a crypto account. It's up to you. Really up to you. You like the short side? Yeah, me too. Whatever, Raul. I'm leaning short side. I'm like going to do stuff and then I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. Dun, 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 dun. Nothing wrong with that, Canary. Trying to recover from whiplash on EQ this morning, Sinister. Yeah, took me a little bit too. I do try it live at New York Open, Jamal. We're on every day from 9:15 a.m. till 11:15 a.m. on this channel. Then at 11:30 we transition over to my funded TV from 11:30 to 12:30 Eastern. And then probably 3 days a week at this point we will stream the Asia session. Depends on various things, whether or not my kids have anything going on, volleyball, track, baseball, you know, all the things. So, Bear Trader in the house. Let me pull Husk up. I think he's streaming. Maybe. Nope. I don't know how many re-entries on this poker thing there are. Guys, we are live playing poker right now. If you want to join us, you're more than welcome. The link's at the top of the chat on the horizontal side. It's free. I don't see Husk in my suggested. Is he not live? He is live. Oh, I didn't search correctly. I should have searched Small Pecker Live and he would have came up. I forgot. I forgot all about it. See, I knew you was going to hear me say that. Hey, Concept, how's it going? We're doing a giveaway here later on tonight, guys. We're going to be giving away a Lucid 50K Pro account. Lucid 50K Pro. We'll let you know how to enter later on. I mean, I think that I think Streamlabs is going to be on the vertical side, so I don't want to do it right now. What up, Dave Mack? You love Lucid. You love a lot of things. A lot of things. All right, all right, all right. Good morning from Africa. I'm trading NQ, Micro Nasdaq, MNQ6, MNQH6. Nasdaq, that's it. Nascrack. That's what we be trading. Solo in the house. I might to take this opportunity. I don't know if I should get out of this trade or not. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure on it here. I mean, we do have a little trend line here, a little micro trend line. See if we can break the Tory Trades trend line. Tan line? I don't know what it is. Is Lucid passed in one day? The Pro is, yes. The Pro is the only count. The only one you can pass in one day on Lucid is the Pro. Pretty sure. Yeah. And, but there is a daily loss limit. $1,250. You don't mind the daily loss limit? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. What up, Eric? How you doing? I'm short right now, Jamal. When you see this, you can't really see it on the vertical. This line is red. That means that I'm short. I know it's hard to see on the vertical. But yeah, I'm short from 990. What's the consistency rule on the funded stage? 40% on the Pro. That's the downside. There is no consistency on the Flex. So that's why some people like the Flex. There's consistency in the eval, but not once funded. Sherry in the house. What up? Yeah, I thought about killing it there. You got destroyed today on your Bull Nuts Masters. Was trying to go long the entire dump. Me too. I did the same thing, but I did keep it relatively reasonable, I guess. Husk is asking for a screenshot. I don't quite know why. I do know why. I do know why. Well, screenshot picture, same thing. Let me see. Hold on. This is what mine looks like. Husk. I sent it in your DMs there, bro, on the Discord. He wants a screenshot of my buttocks. He does. Yeah, Solo, exactly, exactly. Actually, he wants a screenshot of the taint. All right, push it down, push it down. Shorting for 95. Let's go, Cambo. As soon as the account is busted, it goes up. It could be. Excuse me. All right, target number one's in sight. Going down, notes. It's going down. And this hat is new. And it is bothering my... It's too far down on my head, I feel like. I don't know. These headphones are like... You know? What Husk up to now? Not much. Chair seat cam. This has hurt my ears. Oh man, I'm showing my hair. God, I can't show you guys that. For those of you who think I'm bald. You know. I know a lot of you think I'm bald. I'm not. Target number one, smashed. Smashed. Not now, but soon. No way, man. I got many, many years to go before I'm bald. I just have a fade. My haircut is like super, short. Super short. Keep my hair short. I'll put on another hat, though. Trust me. Let me grab it. Oh, we're back. We're back. No. There we go. That's better. What hairline? Man, I don't have it brushed, you know. I got a hat on all day. It's all messed up. When I have a TP below 5450, I don't know. I have one at 5450. That's where my TP is. What do you think it's going down to? Some guy told Steve K on my funded to switch to candles if he wants more viewers. He switches and they get botted for over 5K views. We have hair. Probably 3 days a week, Alex. 3 days a week. Something like that. Listen, if it was my choice, I would just shave it off. Your long 1 hour, 2 micros. You guys think it's going down that far? What up, Manuel? How far, though? Green, red. That's what it's doing. Yeah, I just got my hair cut, so it's super short. I keep it pretty short. This is the 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart. However, I am watching, well, I was supposed to be watching gold, and I clicked off of it. Ooh, we may have an opportunity here on gold. Oh, wait, did I miss it already? God dang it. I missed that long. I wasn't looking. So gold, I didn't quite hit that target yet. You know what? The 2-minute time frame too noisy? No, not really. I watch every time frame, so that's the thing. I don't just watch the 2-minute. I have 4 monitors, so we have all the time frames up. I like the 2-minute though. It's fine. Come on, man. I can't believe I missed that entry. Cannot believe I missed that entry on gold. Yeah, I'm a scalper, so I'm going to sell right now, Manuel. I'm short from 990.50. 99.50. Just missed the entry on. I just missed the entry on gold. Should have had it already out there. Going good, Lucky Mon. How you doing? Let me look. Husk is asking a question. Click on settings. So Husk, click on giveaway, and then at the top, click on settings, and you can change that stuff. So click on giveaway, and then at the top, I know he's watching my stream. I'm just going to drag it down. Right here. So click on giveaway, and then settings right here. Boom. And then you can put what commands you want. You can enter what commands you want. Exclamation point MM. I got knocked out. I need to try to request entry. Can I? I don't even know. When you click on giveaways, then you go under settings. I got to enter the poker again. What does scalping mean? That means I'm just going for like a 10, 15, 25 points. That's all. I'm in a sell right now. What up, trader? Oh, I'm not. The giveaway's not live yet, guys. And then look, Husk, if you go back, if you go down here and you go, I mean, I don't know what he's has problems with there, but let me show you. Click on the cloud bot, go to giveaways, and you should have giveaways here. If you want to change what it says, you just click edit. That's it. You can change it. If it doesn't want to say Apex, you just edit out Apex. I don't know what he's asking. Yeah, GC's pumping without me. Rude. Dirty ass GC. Oh. Man, gold's dirty. I missed that entry. I'm so pissed off about that, but what can you do? Be nice with the primo. Dude, we're playing poker. What up, Just Ain't Right? We're playing poker over here with Cove and Sean and them. But first, I'm babysitting Husk over here. It's fine. Just give him a little babysit action. Oh. Hey, let's go, Warlos. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. I'm a regular now. Yes, I'm a regular. Oh, yeah. Just Ain't Right. Yeah, I work for them. I work for them. Manuel, I do trade every day. Yep. You like the sales too? Let's go. Man, gold, man. It's just to the moon, guys. Like, I was just so annoyed. It created a new ledge, and I wanted to buy it. I saw it like last second, and I did not get into it. So. Yeah, iTrades, I still think we got interest on both sides. Tough to know. My win rate? Oh, man. Depends on what I'm trading, right? I would say, like, funded accounts, probably 60, 70%, 65, 70. Evals, much lower. I'm a little more degen with the evals. We'll call it like 65%, something like that. I don't really track that. I don't track that anymore. It's something I kept up with probably my first year and a half of trading, somewhere in there. All right, can we get this move lower? Let's look to the left, see what we got. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we target lower? Maybe 25? Really? Somebody call me with 6-7. Come on, we're through the 90s. Let's just break this little bitty micro trend line here. Should go. Do I ever trade shit coins? Nah. 54.50. Yeah, I'm going to look for 25, I guess. You're long, you're about to cut in on gold? Gold going lower? Let me look. If it's going lower, I'm going to be interested. I'm going to be interested. But no, I don't ever trade coins. Not typically, but I might. I might soon enough. Trader's Lunch has a crypto account. I'm thinking about maybe trading. Punchcoin printed this last week. Nice. Show you the, because it's you, Flip. I'm going to show you the money. I had to jam right there, Sean. Was that you? Was that on you, Sean? That wasn't you, was it? Gold 4,500. That could be. Could be. I had Ace Jack. You had 6-7. What are you doing? Was that you at 6-7? You were over there like 6-7. Like the kids do these days. Mitz doesn't trade Pokemon either. Guys, we got 102 viewers, 48 likes. Something don't sound right. Something don't sound right. 25.020. Yeah, it could be Kilg. I don't know. That's why I was going to just take profit there, but decided to target a little lower. I think I will go break even at the low here, the 54s. Steve, what up? Oh, you had 5s. So you would have lost anyway, right? I think. Would have lost anyway. Sean, look at my paper hand. Look at this shit. I got to get better at this. So I had a 15-point stop. So my stop was like, it was like 81.9. I longed here off this ledge. It pulled back. I add down here. I add pretty hefty. 5. Because I believe this level was stronger. And then I just sold. I sold early. I made 570. But like, look at this thing. With that size that I had right there, oh man, that could have been a huge winner. Then it creates this ledge here. And I was waiting for a pullback, but I didn't stick my order there. And it just ripped right off that area. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Live to trade another trade. What up, Conviction? How you doing? Long time no see. Guys, I don't have the giveaway going yet. Because I think it'll probably come up on the vertical side. Accumulation, don't give up. Yeah, I think so too, Jesse. Makes sense, right? Little accumulation here. This thing's just jerking around here. It's just really, really ranging. Been better. Been trading Matt's rocket scooter and I'm regretting buying Lifetime. Those pivots are worse than anything you can get for free. Interesting. What do I think of 5212? I've never looked at Matt's stuff. I know he trades like levels. 5212 is the overnight, is the high for now, 5210. If we're going to pull back, it probably will be off the '09 level. What I know, I'm a little bit familiar with those levels, not like greatly familiar. You know what I mean? So that thing's fairly expensive though, isn't it? Isn't it kind of pricey to buy that stuff? They work sometimes. 2K for a lifetime. That's crazy. Yeah, you know me. I don't recommend like. I mean, I get it. I understand why you would buy it. So I don't want to like. I'm not. I don't want you to feel like I'm saying anything negative towards you. But like, if there was something that was as simple as that, where like a person plots a line on a chart effectively, right, and that makes you profitable, everybody would be rich. Like, why would they ever sell that? And not even that just towards like him either. Saying this in general, when it comes to anything, when it comes to courses and stuff like that too, I feel the same way. Like, the reason why a course doesn't work is not because of the strategy doesn't work that's being sold in the course. It's more or less because in trading, there is discretion. You know what I'm saying? Like, something that there might be a setup that is presented on the chart that you and I see differently, and because I have screen time and you don't, I don't take that trade, but you do, right? Or vice versa. And like, that cannot be taught. That only comes with time in front of the chart. So no matter what strategy you're trading or anything like that, that's why it's difficult with a course. Now, if you're a person that just likes everything packaged for you, you don't want to search, you don't want to do your research, you don't want to back test, you just want something handed to you and say, all right, here, do it this way, get started, here's a starting point, then that's fine. If you find value in that, I think that's fine. But if you're a person who's okay with putting in a little elbow grease and a little work yourself, then I don't think a course is needed, So, been learning from Rips too. When levels are being broken, you need to step out of the way. Yes, Keith. So that's another key, right? Like Mancini's levels, right? I use Mancini's levels. But what does he say? When price is knifing through a level, levels. I know you guys can't really see this on very well, but look at today, for example. I mean, when price is just knifing through levels, you do nothing. You wait for a level to reclaim. Look what happened once a major level reclaimed. The double yellow line is a major level, so the double yellow line. But look what price did. Pull it over so y'all can see it. Once it reclaimed, it swept through that double yellow, reclaimed it, and just ripped. So like, when levels aren't being respected, you have to just wait. Eventually, it's going to squeeze. What up, Alfredo? It would be nasty if they pull liquidity at that imbalance low. Yeah, maybe. So for me, like, I would never pay for a course. I would never pay for anything like that. I did find his levels intriguing. Why did I find them intriguing? Well, just like probably the same reason that you purchased, right? Because you see somebody who's making a tremendous amount of money. They're winning this, they're winning that. And so for you, for me too, it's, it seems easy, if you will. Seems worth it. But in reality, probably not. Keith, those are Adam Mancini's levels on Twitter. Adam Mancini 4. If you follow him, he posts these levels every day. He has a newsletter that he puts out. He's on Twitter, Adam Mancini 4. So, tired of so much winning? It was before you knew how affiliate money worked. Yeah. Listen, convictions. I mean, like I tell you guys this stuff. I tell you this stuff all the time. I mean, I was the first person to say that Patrick was making $25,000 a day, and people thought I was crazy. And he's making way more than that now. But I told you guys a year ago, over a year ago, I was like, Patrick's making 25K a day, and you're like, how do you know that? And I'm like, it's just math. It's just math. I know what I make. I can venture a guess into what he makes. So. But that's the game. Anybody who says they're here just to teach you for free and they're not trying to make money, listen, we're here. This is a job. This is a business. We're here to make money. So, you know, am I here to sell you anything? Nope. I don't sell you anything, but I do tell you if you're going to use somebody's code, you can use mine or you can use someone else's. It doesn't matter to me as long as you use someone's. And I do make money from you guys using my code. That's how I make money. So, but if you think this is not a job, I mean, it's a job. It's a job. Now, I don't sit here all day on the computer, but you got to think. There's people who sit at the computer all day. So, I would go, Aaron, I would go with micros and start with just one single micro. I don't see anything wrong with that. You think he makes 50K now? Yeah, well, he says he makes $1 million a month now, so you can kind of do the math there. So if he's making $1 million a month, that is about 50K a day. Doing good, John. How you doing? Get a little wedge. Yeah, it looks that way. I tell you guys what I make. I mean, I've been open and honest from the beginning. So right now we make about $22,000 a month. That's it. And I've been kind of like steady at that level for quite a while. So Patrick makes more in a day, double in a day, 2.5 in a day what I make in a month. It's crazy. It's crazy. Well, that's for my affiliate money, Lowe. I'm in a kind of a payout drought. A little bit of a payout drought, but that's all right. Where did my gold chart go? Let's say I think, oh man, that thing disappeared. Where'd it go? All right. Oh, come on. We are pretty close to the top of the hour here. I'm going to take the gold long off 5203.8. Oh, nobody calls me names? Not yet. I mean, there are some people. I have people that comment on my video. I did a year in review, said how much I made in payouts. And like he was like, your payouts are completely fabricated. They're fake. He shows no proof except he writes it down in a book. That's what he said. Let me read you guys my payouts from last year. Let me read you guys the numbers. Some of you guys know. So the payouts for last year. Where did I write them down at? I wrote them down somewhere. Hold on. I had $26,800 in payouts and $14,096 in expenses. $12,704 in profit. And the guy said, he's completely lying. He has no proof of his payouts or that he made any profit. Guys, if I were lying about that number, would I make myself look pretty good? Would I make myself look better? Like 12 grand in profit or net profit of 12 grand? Not great, right? It's not great. If I was lying, that profit would be a couple 100,000, you know? No, I'm not live. He was trading one micro, living in a dump in Hawaii. Well, let's be honest, John. No, he was rich. He was rich living in Hawaii as well. He was making very good money living in Hawaii as well. The thing is, like, he still had, 150,000 subscribers back then. I mean, he probably was making, you know, $300,000-$400,000 a month, I would guess, back then. He just was one of those people, like, he didn't turn into like the person who has cars and who shows their wealth until he kind of started the BDH and that sort of thing, No, he was making way more than 100K a year. Way more. Insane amount more. Trust me, way, way more. When he was with Top Step, he was making, at least had to be making $2.5, $3 million a year. At least. From them. At a minimum. So you have to understand, they were paying another influencer that I'm well aware of was making around $1 million a year, and he had maybe 25,000 subs, and he was making probably $1 million a year from Top Step. So I'm not going to name names, but if you know, you know, right? Let's go, Dave. Talking about Patrick Whelan-Helms. Did I learn from him? I used to watch Patrick. So, like, here's the thing about Patrick's strategy, right? And this is another reason why, like, courses just don't work. Like, Patrick's really good at, he's good at what he does, right? He's good at marketing. He's good at running a business. Do I think he can make money from trading? Yes, I think he can. But his strategy, even though he simplifies it into a course, it's intuition based. It's intuition based and very discretionary. So there's no A, B, C, D, type setup in his strategy. Have I heard of Algo Box? No, I don't know what that is. So that's off YouTube, John. That's off YouTube. Now, we're not talking about YouTube here. YouTube doesn't pay anything. 84K a year off YouTube. Affiliates, 20, 30 times that. So, Keith, they actually don't. And if anybody who's ever done any sort of affiliate marketing, the cheapest way to market is to, I gotta pay attention here. Hold on one second. The cheapest way to market is through affiliate marketing with influencers, and I'm gonna tell you why. It is performance based. I make less if less people sign up. They pay me less if less people sign up. If more people sign up, they pay me more, right? So it's performance based. Whereas if you take an X amount of dollars and you do a commercial or an ad, it's not performance based. It still costs X, right? So you have to think about it in terms of that. The harder that an influencer works for you, the more people they bring in, the more money you make, the bigger the return. Cost you a little more, but you're also getting a bigger return. So that's why it's, affiliate marketing is the best way to go. And it's the cheapest way to go. Because you can spend X on some other type of marketing and you may not get a return from that. And that's just the truth. It's kind of a crapshoot. Yeah, we're kind of stuck in a range, happy kids. We broke out of the range and then we came back into the range. So, do I make money from YouTube? Yeah, about $300-$400 a month. So, not very much. Dude, nobody has to trade, Serenity. I don't have to trade. I make 20 grand a month. If I didn't trade, it's fine, right? I'm not wealthy by any stretch of the imagination. I'm not. I know some people might think that's a good amount, that's a large amount of money, but I made 6 figures at my job, guys, before I started doing this. So I'm very happy with where I'm at. I'm very happy, but this is a business. This is a job. You can't say it's not, it just isn't. It's a job. It's what it is. Abdul Rahman, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, I think I wake up every morning. I look at the market. I stream for 2 hours, and then I go on a program for an hour, and then I come here in the afternoon for 2 to 3 hours. I mean, you add those hours up. That's a full-time job. So, Lucky Mon, I was a system supervisor at a cable company, a large cable company. I was over like 45, 50 techs. What up, Bradley? Thank you for subscribing, you the man. So, yeah, John, because here's the thing. Like, no, I know how good it feels to just reach 100 subscribers. I know how good it feels to just, to just get a little bit of money per month, $500 a month, enough money to cover your power bill from doing this. So that's the reason why I try to help anybody that I can. That sometimes hurts me a little bit because, you might turn someone on somebody that they like better, but that's okay. It's not about the bottom line. It's not about the dollar. It's about, just helping somebody, being nice. So we're going to do a giveaway in a bit, Radley. Oh, you think so, Steve? I don't know. Maybe. I mean, there's not a whole. I mean, like AI can't do everything. Silver squeezing. Yeah, I can't even look at silver, man. I can't be tempted. I can't be tempted. Exactly, Johnny. I mean, look at Husk. Like, Husk is my cousin, right? And he streams, and he's been doing this for, I don't know, maybe a year and a half, 2 years. And his channel's just now kind of getting a little traction. He's at 1,660 something subscribers. And I guess he's been doing, I don't even know, year and a half, 2 years, something like that. So there's no secret way of doing it. It's just hard work. That's all it is. It's hard work. People will see some people and they get in there. They'll be like, oh, so and so got to 10K subs fast. Well, they're doing something right? They're doing something that sells. They're doing something that people watch. I might not be doing that. You might not can do that. You think silver hits 140 by April? Man, that would be a squeeze. What up, Amar? I am still short, Johnny. So, yeah, Dave, that's what I try to do. So I help people because here's the thing. You can never have too many friends, right? You have an issue with a prop firm. It's nice to know someone, right? It's nice to know someone that you can reach out to and say, like, maybe they have a relationship that you don't have with a prop firm. What up, Into the Futures? So I'll give you an example. It's probably a bad example, but I'll give it to you anyway. I was having a problem getting paid from a prop firm that went busto, and I reached out to somebody, and they got me paid. Right, just one little phone call, and I got my money. So, you look for some trading buddies. Well, join us, Bradley. We're here every day. They got me paid. If I didn't know that person, I guarantee I wouldn't have got paid. Now, that being said, the bankruptcy court wants their money back. John, yeah, I've been doing it for a couple months now. It's not every day because, like I said, if the kids have basketball, baseball, whatever, track, I have to, I have to family first type deal. What are we, five-handed? The This thing is kind of moving up. I'm not going to panic out of it. I mean, we are just in a 1 micro at the end of the day. You had your first $3,000 day. Let's go, Tim. What up, Don? Don't throw rocks. Doing good. Yeah, John. I agree. I think it's BS, but you're leaning towards Top Step over Apex. Why, Bradley? What do you like about Top Step? What do you like about the Top Step? I mean, I don't know. I just think of it in terms of value. I don't know how much value they bring for me personally, but forcing me to use Top Step X is kind of like where I drew the line. I liked Top Step before that, but forcing me to trade with Top Step X, I say no thank you. I started with 0 viewers and 0 subs, Dave. 0 viewers and 0 subs. Husk was one of my daily viewers, obviously. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You just had, you just start where you start. So, I think by time I was like 4 or 5 months in, I probably had like 10 people watching. The drawdown seems different. Bradley, I can give you a couple different scenarios. Drawdown on Apex is actually more than on Top Step. Now, it is intraday trailing, which, is what it is. But you could go to Lucid, My Funded Futures. I mean, I think that they're all better than Top Step. At least you can use any platform you want. Lucid, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader. I trade all those over Top Step. Personally, I think Apex is good because of the scalability, the ability to have 20 accounts. That's what makes them good. So, dun, 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 dun. Vacation was good. I had a great vacation. That was a couple of weeks ago. Guys, we only got 68 likes. I mean, if we're going to stall it here, may as well be 69, right? But we got 112 viewers. Let's hit that. Get the likes up there. Need to get those likes north of 100. Yeah, it does stop 6 Billy Bands. It stops at 2,600, but yeah, it just basically means you gotta take profit. You can't let it run against you. I'm gonna try an aggressive long over here on gold. I'm gonna try it here off the 1 or 209. Yeah, there are some things, Dave, that I don't like either. A lot of things, actually. A lot of things that I don't like. But if you follow the rules, you're fine, right? You follow the rules, you're fine. Yeah, 4 ticks. No time limit on My Funded Futures. So, you remember being a day 1 viewer? Let's go. Dark Cloud. You have to stop planning to go back soon. Finally getting a little dump here. What time is it? It's a little weird. Oh. See if I get tagged in over here on gold. Do we get tagged in over here on gold? Very close to getting tagged in. All right, I'm tagged in long on gold here. I'm looking for 214. 214, that's what we're looking for. So long gold, short Nasdaq. Apex may be the way to go. 5209. Yeah, that's right there where I'm at. Who subscribed? 242 Vlogs. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Apex or My Funded Futures depends on what you're looking to do. If you're trying to go 20 accounts, go My Funded Futures. So, what is this person doing? Maybe they got a set here. All right. Same hand. No, they got two pair. God dang it. They beat me. They beat me. All right, I'm done with that. I'm done with the polka. Gold bulls are targeted? Maybe. In long here, looking for the bounce back to 52.14. See if we can get it. You still rocking the core flex accounts? Dang, let's go. That's amazing. I don't have any of those left. Bounce it. Rip it. See, this is where I get a little like with gold here. I'm like, come on, man, just go. Oh, you ran in two sets. You lost both hands. That sucks. Yeah, I just gave up. I don't know. Gold to buy on the 5-minute dip. SK strat. I don't know. You don't see too much action because you have a personal account. Nice. Happy Kids lost to Ace 9 suited to lost with Ace 9 to King 10. Yeah, this is not SK strategy, but I'm just like buying ledges on 5-minute. Maybe that's what he does too. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue. Should have 52.16. Yeah, I just need the 14. It ain't moving though. I am tempted to move my stop up though here. We're so close to my take profit. 2 points away. New 5-minute candle here. Let's see if we can push. Never heard of My Funded Futures? Yeah, they're good. Basically, stochastics cross in MACD. Fear not. Mine is 5 and 15 helms. 5-point take profit, 15-point stop. It is a negative R strategy. Negative R. But if you never lose, is it really negative R? Prepare the offerings. Oh, dude, sorry. Hey, I try to help, you know. The inside bar, Steve, that's from Pine Tree, but yeah, I just back tested it. I don't know where he got it from. I have no idea. Can you use Webull on it? No. No, you got to use like Tradeovate, Rhythmic, or you know something like that. DX Feed, Quantower. So let's go. Nice job, Dave. It's all about having fun, right? Playing poker. That's what it's about. It's what it's about. Design said, no, he's not following you, bro. You're following him. Oh, come on, gold. Can't you make it easy for one trade? I don't know why gold can't make it easy for just one trade for me. You have Trade of 8? Yeah, you can use Trade of 8. Oh. Couldn't handle the cabooshin. What time is it here? 9:18. This is an aggressive entry up here, but I don't know. It was close. Maybe I should have taken my 300 bucks. Maybe. Stop loss 52.15 cashes. That would be nice. I should just throw gold. I should really just close out this gold thing altogether and just let it do what it do. That's what we should do. Come on, gold, rip it. Give me the 14 level. Just got to be patient. We don't have much of that. I might add, do I go 5203.8? I may do a funded account at 5203.8. Let's see. 5,500 in 10 days. Man, that's huge. That'd be crazy. 5203.8. I'm going to give that a shot, I guess. We're going to give that a shot over here on the micro. On the funded account, if we get down there. Guys, we'll be doing a giveaway here in about 20 more minutes. We'll start a giveaway. It's going to be just a shotgun giveaway. Shotgun. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Shotgun means we're going to have 1 or 2 minutes on the clock. You get to enter. And that's it. 1 or 2 minutes to enter. Gold getting ready to take off. I think 9:30 is going to bring it. You've been looking at charts for 18 years. Futures charts are only about 4 years. I would never quit my day job. Good point, design. All right, see if we get tagged in over here on the funded account. 1 micro on the funded account, just so you know. Ever trade ES futures? Yeah, I took an ES trade today. Took the 68.91 recovery squeeze, took it up to, took it up, what, about 6,900, 8-9 points. What up, Nick? Zuma. Come on, tag me in here. I would like to be tagged in here. So close. All right, we're long over here. Long over here. Add on gold there. We're in from 03.8 on the funded accounts. We're in on the other ones just in eval. So see if we can get a bouncy. Risking 150 here on the gold trade. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, gold. Rip it. We don't want to start the day off red. Let's start it off with a little 50 banger. Nasdaq trying to work his way back up to the top of the range here. I got an ad up there at 25.025. I like gold late night, yeah. This is where I trade gold at, typically. Pretty solid win rate on gold over the last couple of weeks. You can't see that trade on the vertical side, guys, because I got you. I got gold over here on the trade of 8 chart, so horizontal can see it. Platinum, nah, I don't mess with that. We don't mess with that right now. Let's make this chart look a little better. Well, we didn't want to do that. Dang it. There we go. Good enough there. Good enough. Good enough. Gold is like the Bitcoin of metals. I don't know. It's all right. Gold's Punisher said gold's my addiction. The thing is, at this time at night at gold, you really just got to be patient. And I don't have a lot of patience sometimes when it comes to this stuff. So I do know if this hits this first target, then on the other account it will hit the target as well. I'll switch over there and maybe go break even or something. We do got 9:30 coming up here in about 4 minutes. Gold knows it wants to pump here. I don't even know why it's trying to act like it doesn't. Pump that thing up. Let's go, design. Didn't blow any accounts. You're in and out of trades in seconds. Yeah. Just about to roll. We'll see. Also paying attention to the Nasdaq trade over here if I get added in up here, potentially. 25.025. Yeah, it's a short, little way. Yeah, we're gonna do shotgun easy lazy because the Streamlabs is on the vertical one. 52.14 was my target. I am I'm in two different trades, Bradley. This is the funded trade. The funded trade target is 52.08. I entered lower. A little bit of a martingale or whatever you want to call it, account rotation type deal on this entry. So taking the lower entry on the account that means more, if you will. I'll be stopped out on the other account at like 95-ish. Oh, you got an hourly sweep, Zach? Yeah. No, I'm not hedging. They're both long, Bradley. Well, just one's long from a lower spot. They are both long. New 5-minute candle coming up here in about a minute. The other one's just over here. Stop loss is at 94. We should get a lot of information here at the 9:30 mark here. It's going good, Zach. Order flow. I don't use order flow, but I don't mind it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Yeah, the orb's working well. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And the whole number thing I'm using mostly on evals, but yeah, it's working pretty well. I am in the south east, yes. I'm in northeast Georgia. Just outside of Athens. Come on, gold, do your thing, do your thing. That's the thing with the gold trades. You have to be very patient. I try to tell myself to be patient, but my kids are in DC right now, Bradley. 2 of them. They're on a school trip in DC. They come home tomorrow. Do I have bright speed internet? No. We have a Spectrum. Spectrum. AT&T Spectrum. Windstream. Your oldest turned 19 today? Nice. Well, happy birthday to Bradley's kid. I'm already short convictions. I'm short from 990. Although honestly, I might kill it if it gets back below my entry. We'll see. Oh, Leela is her name. Cool. That's a nice name. I have a, I'll try to get the ages right. Let's see. 22? 22, 17, 16, 14, 14, 11, 8, 2. One must Jim Kershaw every entry. Oh, they might be getting bought out by Spectrum. Oh, interesting. Yeah. I was actually, Comcast is in, not in this area, but where I worked at. That was where I worked at, Comcast. Well, John, biologically, there are only 3 of those are mine, but I'm responsible for all of those. Yeah, convictions. I don't know if it's going to go down or not, to be honest with you. Just kind of blended family. My oldest, my ex-wife had from her previous marriage, but I mean, I was there since she's like 1. And then Crystal had 3 of her own, and then she adopted her niece, and then we had one together. So, and I had 2 from her previous marriage. So there you go. Just, lots of people, lots of kids. It might be designed. It's not that far yet. I don't take it that far yet. Calm down, man. Calm down. He said, I'm married for now. Uh-oh. I will tell you what will be a good sign, and what I've noticed on gold is if it can create another swing, it'll probably go back up. If it does not create a swing, it probably won't go back up. I have to move this over a little bit. Husk sweating it? Yeah. I'm over here in a funded account. I don't know if he is. Is he in the funded account? I don't think so. I can't tell. All right, convictions. See you later. Good night. No funded account, says Husk. I mean, realistically, we're risking $150 here on the funded account. Yes, the eval, it'll suck if I lose on that, but like at the end of the day, is it that big a deal? Probably not. But if it could put in another swing here, that would be a really good sign. Look at Nasdaq. She coming to Papa. Yeah, you just got to wait, Bradley. Exactly. Got to be patient. NQ shorts, yes, all things web. I am in NQ shorts and gold longs. Gold long. That's a pretty good death candle over there on NQ. Pretty decent death candle. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, 122 viewers, 90 likes. That's a little low. Subscribe if you are new here. We do stream live 5 days a week, 9:15 a.m. Eastern to 11:15 a.m. Eastern, and then we are live on MyFunded TV from 11:30 a.m. Eastern to 12:30. And then we stream here 3 to 4 nights a week, something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Somewhere in there. Let's jam out some music. Every day. All right, might get stopped out over there on the evals. Eval stops at 94. Stopped out over there on one of them. I heard it. Don't know what got into gold. She decided to dump. Let's go, dude. Nice job. What up, Bull Rush? How's it going? You might do one more at the next shelf. Thought about it. I'm not going to do it on the funded account. I'll let this stop out. I don't want to risk more than, you know, the 150. We could do it over here. Stopped us out there. I don't know if I should have moved my stop down or not. I hate. Yeah, I don't know if I want to. I could, but I just eat the loss over here. Nasdaq bounced right off the VWAP. Oh, you're the final two? Let's go. Think I should move them, Bradley? I don't know. Getting a little bounce here. Didn't quite make it down to that shelf. But that's all right. Come on, NQ. Yeah, solo it is. That's the thing. It's like, do I add here and move the stop? I don't know. This market high yesterday was at the 50-day SMA, then got slammed to the bottom of the range on a daily. Yeah. Dude wins the poker. Let's go. Congrats, man. Nice job. You won an account. You should have won an account there. It barely touched up the bottom. Yeah, I forgot to mention that you do win an account or something like that if you had if you played poker. Guys, we're going to do the giveaway here in just a couple of minutes. Oh, you didn't know that? Yeah. Trading for keeps. You know what will happen, design? Join it. Bradley, it ended already. Unfortunately. much time we got left on this 5 minute? All right, 2-3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. All right. Come on, rip it up. Yeah, though we do it like once a month or something like that. Yes, we're blowing everything up. Lost spinning. Silver strong. Maybe that'll bring gold up. I don't know. We are destroying everything over here for sure. Kind of dirty there how it stopped me out. Trying to decide if I want to add down here. I mean, it would pretty much be risking the account, and I don't really need to do that. Mac's been very quiet. Yeah, he came over earlier and kind of chilled out for a bit, made an appearance. But you're not wrong. What I might do here is I might backdoor this position here. Backdoor this ad. Like 5203. Limit market hit, your market did sell. Ever go to the 5 second? Not really. That's a big gold dollar, yeah. All right. I might add here if it breaks 200. And just tuck my stop below here. Let's see. All right, I'm going to add there. And then what I'm going to do is stops are going to just go up to the bottom here, this inside bar. Three. All right. Let's get back over to the funded one. Those are minis, yes, water fasting. That's an eval. Sending X out, Tampa Airport banned pajamas. Oh my goodness. You lost all your accounts. You try to stick with the micros. Yeah. I'm on an eval there, so this is a funded account and it's a micro. About to get stopped out over there, looks like. Oh, come on. Thought it just might go there. Taking me back, taking me back. No, Rod, not lately. I'm in a slump. All right, Bradley, you the man. Come on, just go. Just go. We want it to break up, Jesse. Stopped out over there. Oh, that sucks, Rod. Lost the 2 fundeds and 6 evals. Dirty. I'm going to add here. Over here, anyway. I think I'm risking probably. It might be around $300, $250, $300. What up, Gabriel? All right, looks like we're going to get stopped. Dirty gold. Those are the first couple of losses I've taken on gold in like 3 weeks. Of course, it would be like, you know, once we get to the funded account. I don't really care about the eval too much, to be honest. Rude gold, rude, rude, rude. All right, we're still in this trade over here. Best soundtrack. Yeah, that sucks, Alex. No, not yet. Trade for keeps. We're about to do it. It can't be passed in a day. Mind funded futures can't. No activation fee though. We are about to do it. All right. Let me get Streamlabs set up here, guys. If you want to enter the giveaway, it's going to be exclamation point MM. It's going to be, we're going to have 1 minute on the chart, on the top, the timer. You will have to go, yeah, I trade Lucid, Rick. I trade Lucid every day. Let me go ahead and get you guys the link over here. If you're on the vertical, you're going to have to move over to the horizontal. There's the link. You're going to have to move over to the horizontal. Let me give you guys a couple minutes to get over there. Let me give them a couple of minutes to get over there. Tears a hole, the old familiar sting. That I remember. All right, is everybody over there? All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close out the vertical stream. So the vertical stream is going to go away. So the link to the other chat is already in there. Sherry, you're already in the horizontal. So I'm shutting down the vertical now. Then we can get Streamlabs started over here in this other one. All right, as soon as it goes away here. I'm waiting on it to go away. Okay, here we go. Come on, gold, rip it. I didn't get stopped out yet, guys. I did not get stopped out yet. Oh, come on. If this thing gets me back to break even, I'm killing it. I might just kill it now. Oh, come on. Come on, go. Get up there. Someone subscribe. Land Hacker, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, it finally ended that stream. Oh, squeeze it. Nasdaq's going to the moon too, though. If I see $50 over here so I can cover this, I'll just get out. I'm taking the $7 loss. I'll take it. All right, let's see here, guys. Let me get over here on this one. Hold on one second, guys. All right, you guys ready? We're about to do the giveaway. You ready for the start? Remember, exclamation point MM once I start it is going to get you in. Gold is going to the moon, guys. I don't love. All right, here we go. Volume imbalance is above. I've got 6. This is a 14. And the giveaway is going to start right now. One minute, exclamation point MM in the chat. Oh, did it start? Yeah. 38 seconds. If I expect. Exclamation point MM. 15 seconds, guys. Not even that. 10 seconds. All right, let me give you guys another minute. Go ahead. One more minute. Going to be generous and give another minute. Uh, 19 seconds. 10 seconds. And the winner is the Mo Trader. Oh, the Demo Trader. I think I read that wrong last time you were here too. The Demo Trader. All right, the Demo Trader, you got 30 seconds to make yourself known. Or we're going to re-roll. 30 seconds. All right. 30 seconds. Anybody see the Demo Trader? The Demo Trader, is he here? Is he here? You gone? Reroll? All right. Demo Trader, 10 seconds. The Faceless Man, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. The Demo Trader. All right, let's re-roll. Everybody get your accounts ready. Let's go ahead and let's re-roll. How does he not hear when we just did a shotgun? I don't know. I can't help myself. Demo, I think Demo knows what's up. I see you, Demo. I'm just messing with you. It's just a good time. Demo, click on the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner of your screen. Show me that you're logged in to your YouTube channel. Shoot that over to me in an email, and I will get you a code. methodicalman@gmail.com. Oh man, guys, I'm trying to wait on this trade over here to work itself out. I re-entered on gold on this other account, the eval. But if you want to go ahead and want to go ahead and jump over there and do that right now, so I can get you verified, that'd be for the best. You called on your last one? Yeah, exactly, Pond. I think I got 600 locked in over here. I'm down 2,000 on this account, but that ain't nothing a couple of full ports can't handle. That ain't nothing a couple of full ports can't handle. No, he didn't win before, did he? Did he? I don't know. Is that you, Pond? That's not Ponded, is it? That's not Pond. The Demo sent the email. Let me check it. Okay, Demo, I got your email here. Now I just need you to confirm a couple of different things here. All right. Number one, penis size. Above or below 3 inches? Above 3 inches, you don't qualify. So below 3 inches, you qualify for the account. So in the chat, let us know. Let us know. Let us know what the size is. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. What is the last letter in your email, Demo Trader? Hey, listen, I got to change it up. 2.5. He qualifies. He qualifies. Perfect. But what's the last letter in your email, Demo? Listen, if he didn't qualify, I don't know. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Nothing I can do if he don't qualify. All right, Demo. We got you verified. I'm gonna send your code over now. Hey, if we can't have a little fun, what are we doing here? Let me get your code sent over to you. Invest is offended? All right, I'm sorry. I apologize. Not really. Your wife says you qualified twice? There you go. That's the only time All right, let me get this sent over to you. Gotta try to work myself out of this trade. Now, don't blow this account before the morning even comes, okay? Unless you just want to. It is a 50K Pro. Code has been sent. Let's go. Oh. Chode qualifications. I love it. Listen, now, we gotta have a good time. We can't say some of this stuff sometimes on other channels, so probably shouldn't say it here. All right, so I got stopped out over there. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing here. We're down $1,400. We could just accept that loss, or we could park an order at the next ledge for 2 points and end up $600. So yeah, maybe that's what I'm doing. All right, let's look at this trade and see what we can do here. I mean, I don't like that the ES is back up to 6904 area, 6900 area. I didn't even work out where the gap was or nothing today. So previous day close, 02875. Gap fill is going to be right there too. 26. Yeah, guess I'll mark it out. So close. So we got the gap fill here. 50K Pro for Lucid. I am short, Daryl. I am short currently from 25,007. I am already short. But yeah, 50K Lucid Pro. No, I don't think there's any consistency in the eval, but there is consistency in the funded. Why the 2-minute chart? I'm watching all-time frames. This is just what I use in front of me. But I have all-time frames up. Yeah, I got the 5-minute up here. I got the ES, the 15, the 1 hour. And we got it all up. The 30-second, the 1 minute. We keep them up. Just got out break even because you don't trust it. Yeah, the problem is, I mean, like, we could really move up. We do have more. We have a lot of room up. I mean, if we look, we just kind of been hanging out in this range. It's a decent sized range, though. What, 200 points? So I probably stop out if we kind of do this. If we get up here, obviously I know price ain't going this way, but if we start building above this range, then I'll probably just stop out. But as long as we stay inside this range, we'll just hold it. This is an eval. Full disclosure, it's an eval. You can trade for a paper clip, a piece of gum, and a rubber band. What about some toenails? Futures trader, I saw that. I didn't say anything. I didn't want to send more people over there. You know what I mean? Futures trader. I was like, nah, we don't want to send more people over there. Guys, let's hit the like button as we're in here. What do we got? 115 likes. I mean, you never know. I might decide to do another giveaway before I get off stream. You never know. I might. Everybody might leave. I'll be like, oh, shit, he's done the giveaway already. And the next thing you know, a giveaway, another one pops up. You never know. All right, Trading for Keeps. Enjoy your movie. What are you watching? Shrek? Shrek was the oldest's favorite movie. Thought swing points are too far away. 887 bear. But if the hour closes below one of these levels, I'd be more interested. Yeah. Still early over there, Trefon. What are you doing up? What is it, 7 o'clock over there? Princessy? Gotcha. All right, Alexo. Appreciate you. You're probably not wrong. I think a lot of those are included in that. Jim in the house. You trade your firstborn to win a giveaway? How old's your firstborn? Oh my goodness. See if ES loses the 900 here, we can probably get a pullback. I'll let you guys know if we get tagged in over here on this gold trade. Yeah, I still trade with Apex. Do you see that, fish lips? You're 45 with no kids? Okay. You're not sure if the swimmers are swimming? I mean, you know. Is that a bad thing? I don't know. If you're 45, may as well just stick it to yourself, you know what I mean? Stick to yourself over there. Oh, goodness here. Maxed out 2 credit cards? Dang, what happened, Paul? Yeah, I like Apex. Sinister, they've said internally that they're working on updating their system, so the payouts are taking about a week to get approved. So they've come out and said that already. Oh, who we got? Leon Diaz. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Ronnie Stoffel. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Jim. Still got gray hair and no gray. I think no kids might be the fountain of youth. It might be. Oh, did they, Mike? I have no idea. Gold kind of looking bull flaggy here. Who's taking a week to do payouts? Question mark Apex. Yeah, Monty. Oh, people being denied. I don't know about that, Sinister. I mean, if you break rules, yeah, you're going to be denied. I mean, here's the thing. Like, with any prop firm, if you break the rules, you deserve to be denied. That's any prop firm. Well, that's only my opinion, and I'm an idiot, so. But I personally have never been denied by Apex. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. I had to count over here, guys. I got to count. If you break the rules at home, you get denied. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like Trader's Launch too. I'm using them. Who else is new for Apex? It takes them 3 days to deny when it. Yeah, yeah, true. Instead of 8 days, now it's 7. I don't know about. I haven't heard that. Let's go, Ronnie. Dang, John, nice job. Whoa, look at gold. Rip it. How did that not? All right, I think I'm down $500 over here on the gold account. I'm going to just close it. Been doing a little degenning over here. 25,000 doable? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Monty. I mean, like, that's the thing. Is like, I'm not saying that. Here's the thing, right? Let's talk about the Apex thing, right? Here's the thing. If you don't like Apex, what can you do? What can you do? You just trade with someone else. No big deal. There's so many freaking prop firms, right? With so many good deals. You got Bulenox. Their activation fee is a little high, but they never deny anybody, right? They have no rules. 40% consistency, that's it. Take Private Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Funded Futures Network. I mean, just the list goes on and on. Trade Day. If you don't like one, trade with someone, trade with another one. No big deal. At the end of the day, it's your choice, and there's so many options. Just pick who you like. Stick with them. I see nothing wrong with that. And that's what I tell everybody. It's like, look, if you don't like them, just don't trade with them. No big deal. At the end of the day, it's your choice. You have lots of options. Lots and lots of options. You like recording yourselves for payouts, Chris? I know how you do it, Chris. Chris is over there. He's got the micro peen in one hand and the mouse in the other. Can you trade gold with Apex? No. You signed the tax form wrong? Yeah, Jim. That's about you can either sign the tax form wrong, you can not send the tax form or your ID, or you can do like Husk and put in the wrong email. Apex is finicky with the rules, no joke, but tons of firms have intraday trail. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hand on the mouse. I saw a TikTok today where obviously a guy was trying to hammer in a nail with his pecker, but it wasn't really his pecker. So he had his hand like out the zipper of his pants, but it was kind of hilarious. Tutski. Tutski. Sound like this wasn't a real TikTok. It was a real TikTok. Well, I mean, obviously it's not real. I was going to show it, though. It's kind of funny. Yes. Or could maybe it was real. Maybe it was real. I can't find it. Just got your payout from Lucid. Let's go. You can't drive a thumbtack with yours? I mean, don't put that out there. So what you're saying is you do qualify for the free account. I got you. Come on, get through that 50 MA. Get us out of this. Is this it? Nope. I mean, I get... Check them out. Oh... Hung like a light switch. That's right. Probably shouldn't be searching for this. That's his wife behind him, not a very, very close friend. It could be. What's Husk doing over there? Now it wants to. Now gold wants to take off after I'm not in it, huh? Breaking out. I just need one 5-point trade to get back. I mean, that's the thing. It's like, oh, I just need one more trade. What up, Sam? What up, Pine Tree? Yes, I'm in a short. Pine Tree, what are you doing awake, brother? You're still at the casino? Pine Tree must be at the casino. You guys know Pine Tree likes to go to the casino and spend a couple Benjamins. A couple of greenbacks. Yeah, I'm stuck in a trade here, Pine Tree. I'm trying to get out of this short, but... In fact, I'm just going to get into, like, exit mode. Oh, man, look at... Holy smoke. Gold just took a nice little pop there. Took the gold long for a little bit. Nice. Trading your TPT Pro. Woo! Brave man. All right, Miney. Appreciate you. All right, here we go, getting the pullback now. A lot of times, John, yeah, I don't know if the YouTube thing is still messing up. Almost back to my entry here. All right, Sovereignty. Black Hawk, Colorado. Nope. What's there? Love me when I'm gone. Indian casinos. Nice. 18 casinos? Holy cow. I got to check that place out. It's like a little Vegas. Think he was going to get smashed? Win, though. Win. I mean, how hard is it to get 1 point here? Let's go. Lego. All right, guys, we've been doing a little degen here. I'm doing a little degens, you know, with Pine Tree in the chat and all. We're only down $160. So, exit. Let's just close it. Oh. It's a mini strip, like a landing strip. Pine Tree, like a landing strip. You ever been to one of those? I don't know if Pine Tree's ever seen a landing strip in his life. What do you guys think? That's a double entendre. Yeah, Sinister, I may have to. I mean, we are green on this kind of little bit. We took a winner earlier, but I don't know how much green we are. So we're up $32. Jim. Lots of wild bush in Maine. Oh. That's hilarious. Pine Tree, I tried to ask you earlier. You didn't answer. Aren't you supposed to be on My Funded tomorrow? I think you were already gone. I thought I saw you on the schedule. What time slot you going to be on? Just curious. Just curious. Just for 30 minutes. Tom Sabos, I know he's never, the point is he's never on my time slot, right? There's an exit in the road called Beaver Road. Exit 69. Let's go. Seagrass Harbor. Come on. I may have to get a little aggressive here on this account, guys. I mean, or I could just take the loss. I could just take the loss. The 50 EMA is just holding. I mean, we did kind of break this trend line down though on the way down. Well, I'm trying to draw. Bro. Still holding it, I guess. Do like how early he was trades with 20 micros? Yeah. A small trickle up for a while. What is the Cypher B? Is that an alcohol? It's got to be an alcohol, right? You guys, make sure. That's an alcohol, right? All right. I'm going to go ahead and add into this here pretty hefty. Let's get in exit mode. Cover the commish. Just cover the commish. You know what'll happen then? It'll dump. It'll dump then. Cypher B is an awesome indicator. Never heard of it, Sinister. Where's it at? What's it do? Tell me. Will it make me profitable? Doob, I have no idea. A couple ticks, maybe 4. I don't know. Maybe like 4 on micros. Oh, dang, I was going to move that down. I didn't get to it in time. Hey, $53. Let's go, make you holla. This could move right back down on pretty quickly here. A little double top. I was looking to see if there was an SMT at these highs. There's not. MACD RSI money flow combined as an oscillator. Oh, okay, I got you. Cool. Well, guys, I'm going to call it there. Red, 160 on the gold trading, $7 on the funded account, and then we're up $53 on this account. That's going to do it for me. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, you can always use my code MYTH, M-Y-T-H, for Apex, 80% off. Code MYTH for E8 Markets. Code MM for everything else. So Bulenox, Tradeify, Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Day Traders, Funded Next, all code MM. The Funded Desk, or Futures Desk, is code MMM. So that's going to do it for me, guys. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. if you want to join us. We lost $7, Senator. We lost. So the beers are on you. So you're looking for a short down to 51.80. Good luck trading for keeps. You never know. Lucky mine, you have a good night too. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, hit the like button, subscribe on your way out. We'll see you guys next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man fires, inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq and Nasdaq, don't go full port. See takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay